Hi everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, January 8th, 2018. A lot of stuff I want to talk about here, but I'm going to try to keep this a little bit short, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. So I'm going to cover some updates as to what is going on in this market right now, with things that we need to pay attention to. I'm also going to make a small change to my platform. From now on, right here, every day, I'm going to start posting my open trades and how they are doing. For example, right now, Caterpillar, I am up big, and I am very happy about that trade. Walmart, I am up nicely. Bank of America, I am down. Still holding these positions. If I do make changes to these, if you're following along with me, I will post it to my social networks. So at least follow me on Twitter, and I will post in real time what I'm doing with my positions. This should make life a lot simpler for those of you out here who are following along with me on my trades, because we're going to rip the face off of this market. I've been promising you that for a long time, and that's exactly what we have been doing. All right. Let's move forward. I did an interview with Greg Hunter over this weekend. Do not miss this one. If you have not seen it, I promise you, it is worthwhile. I might have went off the deep end a little bit. I hope I did not upset Greggy Hunter. I love this guy very much. I really do. He's a great friend of mine. But I think I might have, I don't know. You know how I get from time to time. And so let me know what you think of that interview. After you get a chance to watch it, I will place a link to this interview in the description of this video. Let's talk about these markets right now. Under a little bit of pressure. The stock market is under a little bit of pressure right now. However, you have to see this to believe it, honestly. Again, in the description of this video is a link to my website, traderschoice.net, where you can see a nice, lovely chart of the bond market. It's right underneath the chat room, right side of the page. Epic bond buying going on. They are trying to prop up the bond market. Understand the dynamic here. It's just so simple. So, like I said, stocks are under a little bit of pressure right now. They do not want this to happen. They need that market to move higher to keep the illusion real that everything is just dandy here in our country. So what they're doing, propping up that bond market, keeping interest rates suppressed so there's nowhere else to go but the stock market. So I would not be surprised, and I'm not saying this is going to happen, but I would not be surprised to see stocks finish the day higher with a new record. I would not be surprised whatsoever. They are determined to keep this going. These distortions are getting worse every day. Does it mean we can't capitalize on it? We know what we need to do. We trade the markets. We become our own central bank. We bet against the debt, period. We watch that bond market. It will tell us exactly what to do. It's so freaking simple. The dollar. Let's talk about the U.S. dollar real quick. It got incinerated last year. It really did in relationship to other currencies. And over the past several weeks, it got melted down even further. Now, today, the dollar was making a nice rebound. As a matter of fact, over the weekend when I did the interview with Greg Hunter, I said the dollar was due for a rebound. I think I even said it in my video on Friday. And we're seeing some of that. But do not, dollar bulls, listen to me here, okay? I'm trying to help you out as well. Do not expect the dollar to get stronger, like for anything meaningful. It's just not going to happen. The Federal Reserve, colluding with the White House, wants the dollar weaker. Weaker dollar is stock market positive. That's all they care about. They don't care about your purchasing power. They don't care about how you want to trade the dollar. They just want the stock market higher. So part of that is dollar suppression. And it's going to get a lot worse moving forward. As a matter of fact, in this interview with Greg Hunter, I outline a lot of reasons why you can expect the dollar to fall in value, and you can expect everything to inflate moving forward here. Those are the themes that I think are really important that we need to follow, at least for today. So I'm going to keep this video kind of short. I will follow all of this up at the end of the day. and it's gonna be interesting. I can't wait to do that. Honestly, watch the stock market. If they keep propping up this bond market the way they are doing right now, go have a look at it. You won't believe it. Huge green bar. All that buying going on, propping up that bond market is probably, more than likely, going to push stocks higher. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. I'm just giving you my take right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this new format with my trades right here every day. I will put them here. And follow along in real time with me, at least on Twitter, where I will tweet whether I'm holding these positions, selling these positions, or adding more. I'm really trying to make this easy for you because I want you and me to use this whole game against them in every way possible. Again, you know what to do for the long run. Global debt is going to explode higher. Deficits are going to get worse. They're going to try to prop this up by printing more cash out of thin air, adding it to digital screens, suppressing interest rates, causing malinvestments and distortions across the spectrum of asset classes, more worse than we have already. And I talk about some of this in the in this interview with Greg Hunter. Again, if you think I went off the deep end on that one, especially towards the end, let me know. I will see all of you later on at the market close. Over and out.